Hello guys. So today I will talk about optimized image directive in Angular, like how you can do image optimization in Angular. So yeah, let's deep dive into how you can implement that in your application in the Angular application. So let me run the project first. So means how you it will do image optimization. So generally we use this image tag like with the source and with the width, height and alt. So what how this ng optimized image directive helps us to improve the performance. So let's wait for let's wait to it should run. So this is a basically new module that we need to add in our application if you want to use this ng optimized image. So what? So let's focus like what this thing is actually. So this basically ensure that the loading of yeah. Let's wait. Okay, now it's running. So how this image optimization work? Let's see, and like how you can implement. So what is do so this ng optimized image? It basically ensure that the loading of the LCP image prioritized. So what this LCP is, so basically it basically optimize that thing. So how it can optimize? So firstly you can check the optimize what this LCP is. LCP is largest contentful paint. So generally these are the variation like LCP scores. Like if it is 2.5 then it is good, then yeah. So this is basically like if it is more than that then the performance is not good. So how you can do that? Like what it do this ng optimized image, it automatically set the fetch priority attribute on the tag. It will ensure we use a priority input for above the fold images. And so basically it will add additional attributes to our image element, and it lazy load other images by default, and it automatically generate a pre-connect link tag in the document head. And the loading attribute of images below the fold will set to be lazy, while the loading attribute of images above the fold will be eager. So it automatically generate a src set attribute. So that means these are the things that I mentioned. So it will when you render this thing, this image, yeah, it will show like that. So let's see. So it means you will get more after understanding after checking the code. So let me show you the code. Let me convert this out. So to implement that image optimization, firstly what you need to do, so now if you see, everything is clear now. So here it is LCP, so that it will basically give us the value. So if you see, if you want to use this image optimization in Angular, so what you need to do, you need to import that import that utility from the Angular common in the module. So if you see here, I implemented that in the module. So here this ng optimized image we will find out here. So here if you see, so this is a first, if you want to use this utility, firstly you need to import that from the Angular common. And then so what in this what we do basically, so if you see here this example, so generally we use this image element with these properties. But if you want to use that instead of source, what we need to pass, we need to pass ngsrc. So we will get the difference, like what additional attribute it will add. So let's see. So now if you see here, so yeah, so whatever the tag it will you will load, so it will add that value here. And what attributes it has added. So let me show you one more thing. Mm, Let me show you the attributes that will that it will add. Maybe some internet issues there. Okay, so just a second. Okay, let me take out the new image. Okay. So if we check the assets, okay, so in the assets we have this file. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so the image is removed now. Okay, so yeah, we cannot use this image. Let me check. Okay, so I think we added the additional attribute loading into the assets. We have angular, full color, svg, png. Okay. Okay, so this image does not exist. So this that is why it is not working. Okay. Let's remove this image. Okay, so the issues may be because we added these attributes there. Okay, so let me remove this for now. So these are the additional attributes which we can also use with the optimized image. So now if you see here, yeah, it will show all those things. So the issue was like I was doing the additional configuration. So yeah, you can do this thing. And if you see the performance now, yeah, the performance is good. Like we are using this optimized image. So here what I am doing, like I just added a utility. And so as we generally use the image tag, so you just need to add the ngsrc instead of source attribute. you you can use ngsrc and yeah, parts pass the proper pass the path of that image, and it will render that image. And like if you want to add additional information, like depending upon the width, or like if you want to make this thing more dynamic, so yeah, you can use this image loader attribute, image loader. This is angular utility. So if I show you here, so this is a general, like we generally what we do, we generally import the utility, and yeah, we directly utilizing in our application, and yeah, we are done. Now if like if you want to add additional attributes, like if you want to add image loader, something like that, all those things. So yeah, how you can achieve that? So here you can import that image loader from the common, and yeah, and with that you can what value you want to use with that loader, so you can pass a dynamic value there. So yeah, you can try it out. It is a great feature. It will improve, definitely improve the performance of web application. Uh, Thanks guys for watching.